YouTube. Today I will be showing you an easy way how to find your phone by clapping. Just like my other video, they're pretty similar, but my other video was about how to find your phone by whistling. So I'm going to walk you through this. First, you need to go to Play Store. Play Store. Next, you need to find this. Search this up. Find my phone by clapping. It'll show some results. I installed this one. So once you install that, click open. It'll show this. Just allow whatever it says and just follow what it says. So you click start, click to find my phone. And you can turn this on and off. I turned it on. And that is why you need to lower your volume. That happens when you clap, and so that's why you need to lower your volume. But it does work. You need to clap twice. And so I think it's pretty good, but sometimes it's too loud if you have it full volume. But it does help. And I think you need to have the app open to do it, so yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.